Hey, everyone! Today, I'm going to show you how to conduct a scientific investigation like a pro. Whether you're working on a school project or just curious about the world around you, understanding these steps will make your research clear and organized. Let's dive in. First up, the aim or problem. This is where you define exactly what you want to find out. Think of it as your guiding star. For example, if you're curious about how different liquids affect plant growth, your aim might be to investigate the impact of various liquids on the growth of bean plants. Next, we have materials and equipment. Make a list of everything you'll need for your experiment. This can include items like measuring cups, beakers, specific chemicals, or even things like soil and seeds if you're doing a plant experiment. Remember, having all your materials ready before you start can save a lot of time and headaches later. Now, on to the method or procedures. This is your step-by-step guide to conducting the experiment. It's super important to be detailed here so that anyone could replicate your experiment just by reading your instructions. For our plant experiment, you might detail steps like planting the seeds, measuring the liquids, and watering the plants at the same time every day. Once your experiment is underway, it's time to observe and record the results, including data. This part is all about gathering evidence. Take notes, make charts, and even take photos if it helps. For our example, you could track how tall each plant grows over time and record this in a table. Data is key to understanding what happened during your experiment. Finally, we have the conclusion. This is where you analyze your results and determine whether your initial hypothesis was correct. Ask yourself questions like, did the different liquids affect the plant growth as I expected? And what could I do differently next time? The conclusion ties everything together and helps you reflect on what you've learned. And there you have it. The 5 essential steps to conducting a scientific investigation like a pro. To recap, define your aim or problem, gather your materials and equipment, follow a detailed method or procedure, collect and analyze your results, and wrap it up with a strong conclusion. Remember, science is all about curiosity and discovery, so don't be afraid to experiment and learn from your findings. Thanks for watching, and happy investigating. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on how to ace your school projects. See you next time.